we found it out. 2 numbers we found it out. LCM can be for 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers. Now if you see, if 2 numbers, if I take, there are various scenarios that will come into your mind. Suppose let me take 2 numbers, then I'll extend it to 3 numbers, 4 numbers. Suppose I took a number. Second number could be a multiple of the first number. Yes or no? Second number is not a multiple of the first number. When I say not a multiple of the first number, suppose first number, if it is 6, let me take a slide. There will be so many cases. N1 if it is 6, N2 can be 12. 12 is a multiple of 6. 9 is not a multiple of 6. Or I can take 7. 6 and 7 are co-prime numbers. So when I am taking 2 numbers, if a first number it is a natural number, second number will also be a natural number. Second number could be a multiple of first number, may not be a multiple of first number. If it is not a multiple of first number, it could be a composite number or it could be a prime number. Like that, various cases will come. Let us do case by case. Let us do case by case. I hope it is clear. Now, method 1. Listen carefully, sir. Complete case study on LCM from the basics to CAT level we will discuss. Method 1. Write down in the same order, sir. Method 1. The entire definition is, I'll write down little down. Just give me 1 minute, sir, so that it will be perfectly clear to you. Please write down how to compute LCM. How to compute LCM. First class, I will stress more on the fundamentals. How to compute LCM. Lowest common multiple, least common multiple, both are synonyms. Least common multiple and lowest common multiple. There are various methods to do it. It all depends upon the nature of the number. Method number 1. Method number 1. If the question is like this, LCM of 6, 12. LCM of 6, 12. LCM of 6, 12. Step number 1. If I need to find out the LCM of the given numbers, step number 1. Go to the largest number. Go to the largest number in the series. It could be 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers and so on. Go to the largest number. Check whether the largest number is a multiple of every other number. Is 12 a multiple of 6? Definitely yes. 12 is 6 into 12. If the largest number is getting divided by every other number, then the largest number is the LCM. Then the largest number is the LCM. I am repeating it again. If I need to find out the LCM of the given numbers, step number 1, go to the largest number. Check whether the largest number is a multiple of all the other numbers. All the other numbers. If the largest number is a multiple of all the other numbers, then the largest number is the LCM. First point. Second example, 15, 30 and 60. 15, 30 and 60. What are the 2 steps? Step number 1. Go to the largest number. Go to the largest number, 60. Check whether 60 is a multiple of all the other numbers. 15 4s are 60, yes. 32s are 60. Largest number, it is the answer. Largest number, it is the answer. Third question. LCM of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. LCM of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Go to the largest number. Check whether the largest number is getting divided by every other number. 32. These are all the multiples of factors of 32, or 32 it is a multiple of every other number. 132s are, 2 16s are, 4 8s are, 4 8s are, 8 4s are, 16 2s are, 32. 32. Can I say these LCM, it is also equivalent to 4 8 16 32. 4, 8, 16, 32. Largest number, it is 32. Largest number 32. 4 will divide, 8 will divide, 16 will divide. It is equivalent to 32. It is also equivalent to, I want to make a point here, 8, 16, 32. 32, it is the largest number. 32. It is equivalent to LCM of 16, 32. It is again 32. 32. Now this third point proves a point that just because the numbers are more, we will not get more LCM. Just because the numbers are more, here 5 numbers are there, does it have more LCM? No. As long as if the numbers inside are factors of the largest number, answer will always remain the same. Please write down in your notebook. More numbers in the LCM, more inputs in the LCM does not mean more LCM. If the number of values input it is more, that does not guarantee more LCM. I hope this third key point is extremely important. Another data sufficiency question from mock also I created based on this one. More the number of questions in the as an input in LCM does not mean that more the LCM. These are the 3 important. These model number 1. Important observation. All these observations I am going to use it in the problem solving. Observation. See here. This is a multiple of 6. This is a multiple of 6. The given number input, both are multiples of 6. Answer is a multiple of 6. Both the 3 numbers input, this is a multiple of 5. This is a multiple of 5. This is a multiple of 5. Answer, it is a multiple of 5. If the given inputs all are multiples of k, answer will also be a multiple of k. Please write down. First observation. LCM of KA1, KA2. It will be k into A3. K into A3. If both are multiples of k, if the given inputs both are multiples of k, answer will also be a multiples of k. All are, if you see here, all are multiples of 4. All are multiples of 4. Answer is also a multiple of 4. Answer is also a multiple of 4. Very, very important key point. This helps us in eliminating all incorrect answer options. There are some wonderful questions which I created. Second key point. Listen carefully, sir. Second key point. If these, there are 2 numbers input, it is there. One number, it is a multiple of 16. Answer, it is a multiple of 16. So another input should also be a multiple of 16. That means LCM of Px1 comma y equivalent to Pz. Y should be a multiple of P. Y should be a multiple of P. Reverse is also true. Reverse is also true. It is like these examples, sir. 9 plus 12 equivalent to 15. This is a multiple of 3. This is a multiple of 3. If both are multiples of 3, answer is a multiple of 3. Why? Because 3k1 plus 3k2. It is 3 into k1 plus k2. If both the inputs are multiples of 3, output will also be a multiple of 3. If this is a multiple of 3, if this is a multiple of 3, another input will definitely be a multiple of 3. Very, very important key point. If the inputs are all multiples of some number, answer should be a multiple of that number. If one input and output are multiples of 4, another input should be a multiple of 4. Another input should be a multiple of 4. Let me take some other examples. LCM of 15, 45 and 90. We are still in model number 1. What is model number 1? Model number 1 or method number 1 is a case where the largest number is getting divided by every other number. Where the largest number is getting divided by every other number. 90 is getting divided by 15. 90 is getting divided by 45. Answer is 90. 90 is getting divided by 15 and 45. Another thing, if you observe, this is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. Answer, it is divisible by 3. Answer, it is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 15. This is divisible by 15. This is divisible by 15. Answer is divisible by 15. I hope the idea it is clear. Method number 1, introductory method. Simple case, largest number is divisible by every other number. Largest number will be the LCM. If the largest number is a multiple of all the other numbers, if the largest number is a multiple of all the other numbers, then the LCM will be the largest number. Each and every important key point, I am going to take problems once I discuss the fundamentals of LCM. Method number 1. Now the second question arises. What if the largest number is not a multiple of other numbers? That will be